to Initial Speed. Today, it's a short one, detailing a GTi. Anyhow, let's get a look at what it looks like now, and then I'll just show you what it looks like after. That's all. Definitely dirty. Was worse the last time. Just a little bit of love. Scratches on top. I'm gonna try to get out. Can't do anything about that one. It looks good through the camera, but believe me, it still needs a lot of love. All of my sprays, you can kind of see those dots. All of my sprays and what have you, because I knew I was doing the outside, so I didn't really care that the wind was grabbing it and throwing it all over the place. So the center caps were a little rough, so I bought them some new ones. And while I'm in here, might as well clean up the calipers. I did this one. Way brighter, way cleaner. Gleamer. This one is soaked up. Time for a rinse. So good. You can see on this side, these are already washed. Calipers are looking minty fresh. And the caps that I was talking about, this is the new one. I think maybe I'll let him put these on. You know, that personal touch. Alright, let's look at the other side. You see that these calipers are nice and bright. Let's see the other side. See, very gloomy. This one actually looks much shinier, but needs my touch. bit of marring. Needs a good wax. Oh, and I found a nice little boo-boo. Looks like someone's door, maybe. Scratch there. That is on the passenger side, the right side of the car. And I made the wheels a bit hydrophobic. Back, it's got a few scratches. Got this one up here. That's not pretty. Little dent. I don't know if you see that mark. Yeah, another mark there. 2, 3. All right, well, let's get to it. The sooner I start, the sooner I finish. And it wouldn't be proper without showing you half the hood, bonnet, but of course, it's starting to drizzle. Let me show you the hood, bonnet. Do you see the difference? There it's kind of hazy. Over here it's sharp. Not sure if the camera will pick that up. Anyhow, I have got to pack up, wait for the rain to pass, and get back to this. So yesterday, naturally, we got rained out, back at it. So I have started. I redid the areas that I did yesterday. Hopefully you can see the removal of the scratch on the roof. Then I'll put you aside and just finish this thing up. So this is the scratch that I'm going to remove. Not sure if you guys can see it from that angle, but I'll show you after. Without wiping any of the excess wax off, I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then I'll wipe it off and show you. So it was somewhere here. I can't even see it. Alright, let me wipe this down. Yeah, I don't see it. Okay, well, I guess that means I did my job. All right, there are a couple of other scratches like this that is a full-blown scratch. Can't do anything about that. That's a stone chip. Can't do anything about that. But I don't know if you remember, there was one here. There's a dent there that shows the spot. You can kind of see it right there in the shadow. That had a white mark on it. Oh, you can see the dent now. But that mark there had had paint transfer on it. Not sure what kind of plane that is, but it's a warplane. This is just coat 1. Alright, so I'm in a rush to step out, but I'm going to give you a quick view in the event that I'm not able to do a small cinematic for you. but I used some of the wax that I use on the Porsches, Ferraris, Lamborghinis. So this thing should be UV protected for a while. A little titanium is in the wax that I use. Do you remember what it looked like? Oh yeah, and while I was at it, he had a regular bulb, so I changed it to an LED.